Hello everyone and welcome to my lettering course. In this video I will tell you who I am and why should you trust me. We will talk a little bit about what's gonna be in the course, and the last but not least a special guest, so tune in. My name's Mike Levchenko and I've been doing letters since high school and professionally for the past 5 I guess. And I really wish there would be a video course like this 5 years ago, because it would save me so much time. Sometimes I struggled a lot with some particular letter and get stuck in just one style, but now there are a lot of inspiration out there, and this video course could just broaden up your experience here. And I just will show you lots and lots of styles of different letters that you can use and really lighten up your lettering. I worked for a lot of clients. For example, my most published work, I guess, is right behind me, somewhere in here. Yes, it's a Maxim Magazine. I guess it's international, but that was made for the Russian one. So I made the whole lettering here that says top 100 sexiest woman of Russia. That was pretty cool task to do. Okay, we'll get it here. I also drew some lettering for TV channels, for movie titles. I was also featured on Behance with my Soviet-styled modern brands. And that was pretty cool project that got lots of attention to my work. And as well, I've got featured countless times on the typography section of Behance. So I think you can trust a guy who was featured on Behance and got 5 years of professional experience. And also I made a really cool looking logo for this lettering course. And this awesome t-shirt, Letters Cult. What's gonna be in the course? At first, I will tell you something about the instruments I use. I've got lots and lots of them, just literally boxes of them. I've used a lot of different kinds, so I can recommend you something that I really like. And then we will start practicing. I will teach you what the letters consist of, what some parts of it are named, and then we will get right down to practice, where I will show you how to write letters, small ones, big ones. At first I will be using this marker to break it down a little bit and show how it's constructed. Then we will get down to practice with this one, the brush pen. I will show you how it can be done, and then use it inside a word, which will be really useful for you, because I will show lots of styles and how do I make it, why do I make such decision and not this one. And as well, I will show you how I work with my instruments, for example, this one or anyone else. Then I will show you how to scan and vectorize your work. I've got lots of experience in here because I drew really a lot of logos here and perfected my technique. I will show you different styles of how you can do it, and you can choose your own. And most importantly, how to make it really fast, not to spend like 3 hours on just one piece, but when it could be done in just 1 hour. Then I will tell you something about some certain styles I really like. There would be individual video for each one, and I will show you special features that make this particular style. I promised you a special guest. I will go get him. Here's my little doggo, the Dosha. Yeah, kiss daddy. Yes, so if you hear some barking sometimes, be sure that it's this little boy here. Hello everyone and enjoy the course.